Welcome back to Primetime News. A special welcome to those of you watching online at onespotmedia.com. We begin with news from the region where teams are still working to rescue people trapped by flood and landslides in Trinidad. The government estimates millions of dollars in losses from 2 days of persistent rainfall. Families were evacuated from their homes in east and central Trinidad as floodwaters continued to rise. Houses in Kelly Village, Coroni, were almost covered in water, sending families scrambling to their roofs. Floodwaters rose to almost 10 feet, covering vehicles. At least one member of parliament says his constituency was, quote, completely cut off. Prime Minister Dr. Keith Rowley has called it a national disaster, even as he condemned looting in the eastern district of Sangre Grande.